Looking for a smarter, more secure way to share and collaborate on your Sparx Systems Enterprise Architect models? With Prolaborate, you can seamlessly share content from your Enterprise Architect repository while staying fully in control. By default, everything you share remains private. Only authorized stakeholders can access the content you choose to make available. Need to expand access? Prolaborate gives you the flexibility to enable public or embedded sharing right from your repository settings. Public links allow approved users to view content in read-only mode, and when open community access is enabled, even anonymous users can participate, ideal for open collaboration when security policies allow. For sensitive or confidential content, private links ensure that only authenticated users with explicit permissions can view it, preserving data integrity and access control. Looking to embed live models into external platforms like Confluence? Prolaborate enables seamless integration. For enhanced security, we recommend using the Prolaborate Confluence macro. And it's not just diagrams. Share dashboards, reports, custom pages, and structured discussions, all tailored to your audience's needs. Bringing new collaborators on board is simple. Send an invitation, and they're guided through a quick sign-up process. Just keep in mind, each collaborator will need an available user license. With Prolaborate, you control who sees what, who can engage, and how your enterprise architecture is experienced. Empower secure, scalable collaboration only with Prolaborate.